diocese. Pope Francis has announced the new Diocese of Prosperidad in Agusan del Sur. Cebu Auxiliary Bishop Ruben Labajo was assigned as the new diocese's bishop. Prior to this, Agusan del Sur was part of the Diocese of Butuan or Butuan with Agusan del Norte. Bishop Cosme Almedelia petitioned the split to strategically foster spiritual growth and improve administrative efficiency. Siya yung first appointee ni Pope Francis doon sa area. Kasi nga, yan yung unang-unang ginawa. Pinaghiwalay, kumbaga.
Because masyadong malaki ang sakop ng yung old diocese, masyadong masakop ang land area, no? So nahihirapan doon sila to deliver the word of the Lord or to share the good news sa missions nila. So they decided it's better na paliitin natin ang sakop so that yung smaller nga yung area ng isang bishop, pero they can focus on the community at hand. For more effective, the delivering of the word of God.
Yes, so that is the 87th diocese dito sa Philippines. So right now, yung area na yon, yung diocese na yun, meron silang 480,000+ na mga Catholics.
Malaki-laki yun, no?
Malaki-laki din yun.